Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the January to April 2025 speaking topics. So let's look at the topic. Describe a quiet place you like to go. You should say where it is, how you knew it, how often do you go there, what do you do there, and explain how you feel about the place. So let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. I am quite fond of traveling as well as like exploring new places on my own or with my close ones. And today, I would like to speak about a place named Nainital, which I always visit to escape the hustle and bustle of city life. So, hustle and bustle of city life means busyness of city life, and it is an idiom. It is a beautiful hill station located in the foothills of Himalayas and is popular for the revered Naina Devi temple, which stands on the edge of the lake. So, revered means to be famous. So, now let's take a coffee break with Empress Farms. If you are stressed about your IELTS exam, try Empress Farms coffee. Its bold flavor with pureness is the perfect companion for your English learning journey. You can order it now on Amazon. Link is shared in the description. Now let's continue with the cue card. Moreover, I know this place from my childhood as my parents used to take me for vacation due to its close proximity from my home. So proximity means nearness. The hill station is only a 3-hour drive and I usually go there during weekends with my friends to de-stress myself in the peaceful and serene environment. So serene means calm. I also travel there with my family members during summer holidays for an extended stay, which gives me an opportunity to get temporary respite from the hot and humid weather of my city. Respite means relief. Additionally, I enjoy boating at the picturesque Naini Lake, situated in the backdrop of majestic mountains, catch a glimpse of the mesmerizing sunrise from Tiffin Top, and also pay obeisance at the divine Naina Devi temple. So picturesque means beautiful, majestic means big, catch a glimpse is an idiom which means to view for a short time. Mesmerizing means beautiful, obeisance means to respect. Moving further, I also try some exotic cuisines at the local restaurants and also purchase souvenirs from the street markets. So exotic means unique, and souvenir is something which is kept as a reminder of the place you have visited. Finally, I feel on cloud nine as this getaway gives me an opportunity to develop stronger bonds with my family members while relaxing as well as rejuvenating my mind and body in the tranquil environment at the same time. So, to feel on cloud nine means to be very happy, and it is an idiom. And tranquil again means peaceful. Thank you for your time, everyone.